Now, when I test drove the bike...
So tell me, I'll record you for my channel.
That's fine.
What is the make model of your bike?
1300 GS BMW,
okay.
2024.
How long you been riding?
How long have I been riding?
Yeah, what is this bike number what for you?
30.
Bike number 30?
Probably.
Okay, so is this the only bike you have right now, or you have more than one?
No, this is the only bike I have right now, but I've been riding since 1980.
Did you buy this locally, or where did you get it from?
No, I bought it at Kissel Motorsports.
Okay, where is that?
It's up in Pennsylvania.
Oh, you bought it in PA, okay.
No, it's because he gives you really good, here's for him. He gives you really good deals on trade-ins. They have a lot of really nice used bikes up there.
Oh.
And the service.
The trade-in was good, okay.
Oh yeah, but when I get my service done, they come down, they pick it up in a truck, stuff like that. So.
Wow.
Even though it's 2.5 hours away, I love the place, and I would not buy anything.
From wherever, okay.
Okay. Some of the local dealers have proven to be really shady.
Really?
Yeah.
Like MOD, I go to the MOD. They seem to be pretty good, decent.
Well, I have a little issue with MOD.
Oh, really?
I wouldn't say they weren't decent, but I wanted to buy a bike from them, and I noticed there was a problem with the radio, the K1600 GT.
Yeah.
And I suggested that, I said, well, you're going to have to fix the radio anyway, so instead of you paying for the radio, why don't you just give me the money that the radio would cost you towards the warranty? I'll buy the extended warranty, and then it won't cost you anything. They didn't want to do that. So They didn't sell me the bike because they didn't believe the radio was bad. Then they had to fix the radio before they sold it to somebody.
So it's like a price adjustment kind of issue. Yeah. Nothing major. You know what I mean?
The thing about this bike.
Yeah, tell me about how's been the ride and the comfort of this bike.
It's comfortable. It rides much sportier than the older GS's.
Yeah.
The thing about it that really attracted me is I have problems with my shins.
Okay.
And on the 1250s, the 1200s, I always tear my shins up.
Okay.
And have to wear extra padding and stuff like that because of the way the engine is.
Okay.
Well, this engine, the offset isn't as bad on the cylinders.
Right.
So it's a lot easier on my legs. It handles better. It sits a bit lower. It has the it squats down.
Right.
And I just like the way it handles better.
Have you done anything to the bike since you got it?
Well, I put these lights on it.
Oh, the lights on?
Denali
you put them?
Lights.
Denali lights? Okay. That's the only thing? Everything else is pretty much factory?
On it. They're Tortec crash bars.
Oh, you put the crash bar, you put the lights on.
Yeah, that's it.
Cool. Okay.
Well, when I bought it, it came with gold wheels.
Oh, it did?
I didn't like the gold wheels.
Oh, so you changed the color of the wheels to black?
No, I had the dealer give me the forged wheels instead.
Oh, he gave forged wheels, right.
Yeah,
okay,
they worked with me. Like I said, that's why I deal with Kissel.
Okay.
The issue is that when I had the gold wheels, I didn't get this noise that, when you hit the brakes, they squeal a little bit.
Yeah.
But they didn't do it with the gold wheels, so there must be a different in the rotors or something.
Right.
So I'm going to address that because I mean it's not a deal killer or anything like that.
And you've been riding this for how long now?
All summer. I probably got about 5,000 miles on it.
Oh, you put 5, and you bought it brand new, right?
Right.
Okay, right. Okay, so you put 5,000 miles on it. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's good.
And I've done a little off-road. I don't do much off-roading. I ride I ride a lot in the mountains, and I'll go exploring on dirt roads, but I'm not doing off-road.
Tell me this question: why BMW versus a Ducati touring or some other brand?
Okay.
Are you always been a BMW?
I've had them all.
You've had them all. Okay.
First of all, I had a Diablo, which I actually loved the bike.
Okay.
However, I sold it to a friend of mine, and when I bought it, I bought an extended warranty.
Okay.
And he had the bike for 2 years. Didn't put more than about 1,500 miles on it.
Okay.
And because of a problem with Ducati.
Yeah.
And the fact that they when they put the flywheel, I think that when they put the flywheel on, the bolt is not reverse thread, so the bolts loosen up, the flywheel comes off and destroys the engine.
Oh wow!
He bought the bike for me for $7,000, rode it for 2 years. Okay, the engine fell apart because he doesn't ride it hard, and they want $8,500 for a motor.
Oh my God!
Okay, and
he's not very happy.
I wouldn't buy Ducati. I think they're just
yeah. No, I'm with you.
Because of that.
Ducati definitely have their own sets of problems.
I had a Touareg for a while. I really loved that bike, but that was a leg problem too. It would heat my legs up too much to ride it.
Oh, absolutely. 100%. They heat up too much.
The airflow comes right out on your shins.
Yeah, and I think this BMW, the 1300, is like the best of the bunch. You know what I mean?
Well, I like a K1600.
Also,
I lead
okay.
rides.
Yeah.
So there's a problem with maneuverability, honestly.
On the 1600, okay.
Yeah, this bike, anywhere you go, it's easy to turn around and stuff like that.
It is, okay. Compared to the
The
1600, yeah.
K1600's a beast.
Yeah,
It's
it
a
is,
wonderful
it is.
beast, but it's a beast. I love the engine on it.
Yeah, I'm sure that K1600 is super nice on the highways.
Yeah.
Uh,
It's good on curbs, too. I mean, it's
it is?
that's
Okay.
well, when I used to ride it a lot, I was considerably heavier.
Okay.
So I didn't really know. I mean, it rode really good for me.
Okay.
I'm not a, I'm not a canyon carver. I mean, I ride reasonably fast and all
Okay.
that, but this bike here does everything I need.
Good.
I had a ZX14r. I mean,
You've had lots of bikes, yeah.
I had many
Many
bikes.
bikes.
Anybody who knows me will say, "Damn, Gary, this is the fourth bike this year." No, I mean, it started back when I was a kid. My first street bike I bought was a Harley.
Okay.
It continually fell apart on me, but
Yeah.
it really soured me on the upper end. But a lot of people like them.
Yeah.
Then I bought an old Goldwing back when they were a GL1000. They
Yeah.
didn't have fairings or anything on them.
Wasn't the Goldwing a lot more reliable, the Hondas, or no? You had some problems, right?
Listen, honestly, the only bike I ever had to break down or had a problem with was my first bike, my Harley.
Harley,
It was
yeah.
Continual.
Right.
But then everybody says this was because it was a 75 Super Glide back when AMF made it.
Okay.
But I'm sort of like technology, so
Yeah.
I like.
And you have all the rider's aid on the 1300 that
Oh, yeah.
anybody can ask for.
Oh yeah.
You know what I mean? So all the rider aids, you can't get
definitely
a
gotta
better
check.
package than that with BMW is like, they give you all the rider aids, you know what I mean?
Well,
And more.
This was one of their this was the showroom thing, so this one had everything on it. So
Good.
And then because it was a demo, because I demoed it for 300 miles before I bought it.
Okay.
Whatever. It was a demo, so I got a good deal on it.
Good for you.
And then they gave me the wheels,
Okay.
and that was like a $1,500 upgrade.
Yeah.
Like I said, I like the wheels better because something like the bike next to us with yellow wheels.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, you ride it for an hour, you spend 2 hours cleaning the wheels.
Yeah. I know that some people like the gold wheel because of the look. They seem to like it, but everybody has their own preference. When they came out, they were advertising like with the gold. Remember?
Oh, I like the black wheels better.
Yeah.
I even like the black. Like I said,
Yeah.
they're much better with the dirt.
Yeah, I like the black one too, but I'm just saying that when they initially came out, I think they were like highlighting the gold one, right?
Yeah, but before I bought this bike, I actually traded two bikes. I traded the 1250 GS,
Okay.
and I traded a brand new ZX14r, 40th anniversary edition with
Yeah.
lime green wheels.
Okay.
And at that point in time, I decided I didn't want.
To do the cleaning anymore?
Mm-mm.
Yeah, I know.
Well, my GS had the gold wheels on it too. It was a HP. That was a really nice bike.
Nice bike.
But I got tired of the wheels. I mean, this one here, I really haven't detailed it for probably 1,000 miles. It still
Right.
looks reasonable. So.
Cool. Well, nice meeting you, sir.